Ferdinand E. Marcos was born 1917 and died 1989. It says here, the elegant look of the Lincoln Town Car Signature Series limousine was favored by President Ferdinand E. Marcos because it can be expanded to accommodate a spacious interior. Blue and gray velour, complemented by wood and palm trim, decorates the interior, while its embossed seats made it luxurious. Luxurious talaga. Kasi it can be expanded. Ayun, malaki yan. Oh, may vacuum sa loob. May iwan siguro naglilinis. Expanded, which means yung mga upuan can be faced with each other. Take a look. Haba. Yun pa yung capacity dito. Sasakyan Aquino. Ang kanila naman ay model 1986 Mercedes-Benz. Ito yung family picture nila dyan sa Aquino. Is it? Or kanyang sister. Okay. President Corazon Aquino's administration choose the Mercedes-Benz W126S class donated by the German government. Aquino opted for a 500 SL. So instead of the top-of-the-line 560 with the S referring to Sandor class or special class, and L indicating the long wheelbase. Even though the car has simple design, it did not spare on security features. It is the first state car to feature bulletproof panels and glass windows measuring 2 inches in the thickness. So itong kauna-unahang car naman, bulletproof pala. Simple as this, pero under security features. Okay, so if you can see, napaka-simple, but importante dito ay it has a security features which is bulletproof. Yang Ramos. Like his predecessor, President Fidel V. Ramos choose the Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL, initially assigned to Corazon Aquino's Vice President Salvador Loret, but was not as heavily armored as Aquino's class car. It has exclusive features like special switchboard that houses controls for lights and sirens. Okay. May button for control modules and fuses, and thinner bulletproof panels. It's Germany's counter-terrorism unit. Ganun naman. So, parang simple din. Tulad kay former President Corazon Aquino. Simple as that. Yun lang, may mga control modules dito fuses. May lights and sirens. Siguro, if somebody attack na yung siren, wing, wing, wing. So we are done. Here's Estrada. the actor and former president. Ito naman, ginamit ni Pangulong Joseph. Here's it, Estrada, Mercedes-Benz S600. It says here, it has doors that have thick steel plates and Kevlar used in bulletproof vests. It also has 2 batteries and a powerful alternator. Halos magkakapareho sila. But the car of President, former President started, bulletproof. At the back, a television and telephone is installed. This vehicle was made by the well-known armor firm O'Gara and Hess. Hindi pinuksan ni para makita sana yung picture. Oyo. Patricia. So, basahin natin na pictures. It's 1993 Mercedes-Benz S600 limousine B140. President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo chose one of the largest car models. A stretch 1993 S600 made by O'Gara and Hess. The limousine is heavily armored. It also has round flat tires and engine block protection against sniper fire. Sabihin, it has flat tires and engine block protection against sniper fire. So, halimbawa may mag-aatake, meron fire that will block. Though, itong car na ito, it's not the only Arroyo State car. During the course of her term, she was seen using various vehicles. So hindi lang pala isang ginamit niya. Such as 2001 BMW and a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Tama nga naman na hindi lang isang gagamitin. So, ilang-ulit natin habang pala. That car of former President Marcos, mahaba rin. See there. There. Ito na yun. From MacArthur, Quezon, L'Oreal, Osmeña, Rojas, Quirino, Magsaysay, Aguinaldo. You can see there is Kuya there and maintain na. They clean it every day. Final look. Tayo makalabas. Makalabas na rin. So these were some pictures of the President of the Philippines. Buhay! Buhay ang sambayan ng Pilipino. Because we've got intelligent and loving exit na tayo. Kasi gutom na si Mami Raj. Ah, naroon pa pala doon. On the other side. Maybe some memorabilia. So, pasok tayo. We'll start from here. So, may mga paintings. These were the paintings of different painters. Hindi pa sisiil. Oh, grand prize by Matthews B. Garcia. There is one from Bernardo Maac. Ito naman acrylic on, puro acrylic on canvas. Puro mga grand prize. For legacy, that one. For unity. For magnanimity. Magani. Ah, ito parang yung yung pelikula. Magani. Singer-songwriter Ruel Rustata performs the quincentennial theme song Bagani in front of the Centennial of Freedom Monument in Rizal Park, Manila. These are some memorabilia. Wala ito. Okay. Mga bags. National Quincentennial. Mga calendars. Mga past heroes. 2021 Quincentennial commemorations in the Philippines. And the National Quincentennial Committee. It's a hard work. So this is their logo. These were the past events. See, dami. Past events of the Quadricentennial celebration. Katrina Gray was here. And some important people in the Philippines. Quadricentennial is the 500 celebration of Philippines. Okay, we're gonna. Ito yung book, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.